Hey, how you guys doing? Welcome back to J Luther TV. Back at you guys with another reaction. Hey, how you guys doing? Welcome back to J Luther TV. One of my friends' parents, who actually experienced 9/11, who was actually there that day. His dad asked, "Can I, do a reaction to this video?" And he's been listening to this song for 4 straight years, or watching this tribute for 4 straight years, and he asked me, "Can I react to it?" And I said, "Of course." Man, this dude is a hero. Anybody who risks their life for other people, man, you're a hero. So of course I'll do this, man. Of course, this is a very, tragic day, and man, the people that were there, man, I can't even, imagine their pain of still thinking about that day and the trauma. That don't just go away easily, especially when it was so televised. But let's listen. Oh, this is Disturbed.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its scenes while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share, and no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fool said I, you do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you, but my words, like silent raindrops, fell.
I need the sound of silence. I'm getting too overwhelmed. All of this, just looking back at it, is just Jesus. Imagine just like seeing it on TV or the internet, but I'm pretty sure in person it was just way more destructive. You know, you'll watch these documentaries and you'll see people screaming. You'll see people waving their arms outside of the buildings. And you know what? I can't take this anymore. Either I burn alive or I jump out. I gotta choose my death. To choose between those two, jumping off of something and landing flat, or burning to death. Like when I'm seeing all this that's running through my mind, I'm seeing firefighters being pulled out.
Echoed in the wells of silence, and the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made. And the sign flashed out its warning, and the words that it was forming. And the sign said the words on the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered in the sound of silence.
That was a hard one to get through, man. I didn't even really want to finish that. Being honest with you guys, I didn't want to finish that. Too overwhelming. Man, there's not a lot where I can get on here on this camera and just be speechless. Like, I literally don't know what to say. This video speaks for itself. It's hard being an empath, man, because you can just feel it. I don't have to be there. I can just feel it. The pain, the suffering, I can just feel it.